Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software tutorials that simplify your work life. In today's video, we are diving into Salesforce Sales Cloud, one of the most powerful customer relationship management platforms on the planet. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or someone looking to streamline your sales process, this video will walk you through the essentials for managing leads and opportunities to tracking sales performance and automating tasks. So if you're ready to supercharge your sales game, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Salesforce. Now, on the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials. And of course, you need to choose the following options for products, Salesforce, or Marketing Cloud. But the better option is going to be click the try for free on the top right corner, the green button, or start free trial, the blue button here, depending on your preference. If you click to any one of them, what will happen is you will be forwarded here. Okay, so you can start your free sales trial, no credit card required, no software to install. It's a 30-day free trial. Okay, all I have to do is provide all the information needed, click on next, and what will happen is you should be able to receive a notification such as this one. Okay, and then you need to check your email, because you should be able to receive a welcome email to activate or verify your account. If you can't see it on the inbox, you want to make sure that you check it on the spam folder. Okay, so now I'm gonna click the verify accounts. I will be forwarded to the main dashboard of Salesforce. Now, after that, you will be forwarded to these sections. I'm heavily suggesting you follow all these because it gives the Salesforce algorithm to better match your criteria and the best platform that they can offer to you. Okay, so for example, maybe we are not on the public contracts and info are disorganized. And after that, you will be forwarded to the main dashboard. It's very simple, so do not be overwhelmed with all the information that you can see on the platform. Okay, so we will guide you step by step. Now, on the left side panel of the dashboard, okay, these are going to be the tools or your go-to tools that we can explore later. So for one, now the home page is the dashboard-like landing page when you log into Salesforce. It's obvious, right? So basically it shows key performance indicators like KPIs, recent records, tasks, events, and of course some personalized assistant recommendations. It can be customized based on roles. For example, if you are a sales representative, a service agent, and a lot more. Okay, so the contacts is a section within the Salesforce when you can hold information about individual people. So we're gonna dismiss all of that. Here you can manually add your own contact. Click on the blue button, all right, and we have the option to add someone here. For example, salutation is gonna be enough of the following. So for now, let's try to put in doctor. First name is, say for example, that's gonna be me, all right. Okay, so for the first one is let's say how to account name. You can choose from any of the following if you have the accounts. All right, you choose the search bar if you have a specific account. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have any account yet for the new contact, if that makes sense. So you need to click the add new contact or new account here. All right, so account name is, for example, new or YouTube content, or let's say content creator. Okay, so for the website, if you have that, so what I'm gonna do for the website now, what I'm gonna do for the website is I'm gonna go to our YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications on our latest content. So I'm gonna copy this right here. Okay, I'm gonna copy everything, and then of course very quickly go back to the Salesforce platform. Now here, I'm gonna paste it in. Type is it gonna be an analyst, competitor, customer, integrator, investor, or partner? So let's say it's gonna be a partner. So for the description, Partner account is if you have that. So we're gonna be creating a new one. So we're gonna skip all these. Okay, get in touch, phone number, and that. Probably let's stay with this and click on the save button. All right, so the new account has been created, and I'm gonna add this to our main title here. Okay, the title is reports to. We're not gonna choose that for now. And then the phone number, we're gonna skip all of these and click on the save. Not save and new, just one for one contact. The good thing about contacts is that you can create new opportunity, edit the contact if you wanted. There's going to be a drop-down menu wherein you can delete the contact if you have added this by accident. Okay? So we're going to skip with the contact. We're going to go to the accounts. Now, the accounts represent companies, organizations, or individual customers. So here, if you want to import a specific accounts, if you're working with, say for example, banks, firms, now you can import that, obviously, but you need to make sure that the file is accepted. So they only accept CSV files. So if you don't want to manually enter the data one per contact, for example, if it's going to be a business accounts for companies or person accounts for individual customers or B2C, you're going to have to make sure that you upload a correct file. But if you don't have that, we're going to click on cancel. We're going to click on confirm. If you want to add a new contact or account, you can do that here. All right. So we're going to skip this. This is for if you have bulk data entry. We're going to go to the sales. So the sales is a section here for you to manage your leads, opportunities if you have like deals, pipelines, forecasts, and for performance. So how does it work? First of all, let's dismiss this. We can add a new lead. All right, so the lead gives you opportunities, codes, products, and price books, sales paths, and workflow. Now, in this case, we're going to be choosing doctor, and let's say company is this, title is, let's say, content creator. Okay, so for the website earlier, we have this. And this is going to be a new lead. Is it going to be a new lead? Contacted, nurturing, qualified, and qualified. Okay, so let's click on save. So we have now a new lead for us to work with. So you can categorize the lead as new one, contacted, nurturing, and qualified and converted. All right. So we're going to go to the service. Now, the service is used by support teams to handle customer inquiries. Okay. So for example, if you want to add a case, which is going to be for customer issues, click the blue button. It's very easy. All right. So add a new one. Is it going to be working, waiting on customer, escalated, or closed? Let's say working. Case origin is going to be from, maybe you got this case from web, phone, or email. Maybe let's go for the web. Priority, you can set it from high, medium, or low, depending on your preference. For now, let's say it's going to be for low. Contact, that's going to be this. Subject. Okay, so click the save button and we have successfully created our case. Okay, so now on the marketing, this section is used to manage marketing campaigns if you want to track leads and measure ROI. You see that there's going to be a lot of tools right here, because with the Marketing Cloud or Pardo, now Marketing Cloud account engagement, it supports email marketing, lead nurturing, journey mapping, and segmentation and automation. So we're not going to deal with this because this is going to be a different YouTube tutorial for us. We're going to create a video from this topic later on. But for now, we're going to skip this because it requires a deep dive as well. But instead, we're going to go to the commerce section, because this supports e-commerce experiences, both for business to business or B2B and B2C for business to customers. Now you can set up your store, add your first product, let guests shop your store, and set up checkout. So in this section, you can build and manage online storefronts, manage product catalogs, and pricing promotions. So this section for the commerce is also going to be a deep dive. We're going to discuss this in a separate video, but essentially this is where you can track order history, customer behavior, and a lot more. Okay, now the next is going to be the generative canvas. This is a new feature from Salesforce Cloud, because I've been using Salesforce Cloud in the past. So as you can see, it allows users to strategize, ideate, and generate plans using Einstein Copilot and other generative AI tools, which is kind of useful for brainstorming, campaign strategies, mapping sales plans, and creating service flows. Okay, now last is going to be your account. So this is referring to your Salesforce organization subscription account management area. All right, and with that being said, you see on the top right corner, this is where you can check that your free trial ends at 30 days. If you feel that Salesforce Cloud is going to be the platform for you, I highly suggest you click the buy now. You see, the Salesforce has two pricing plans. The Salesforce Starter is $25 per month, which is per user annually. The Salesforce Pro Suite comes at $100. But do not be afraid for now, because you can leverage and get immersed with the Salesforce platform absolutely free for 30 days. All right, don't worry for that. And again, with that being said, and that wraps up our video in using Salesforce Sales Cloud. It's a powerful tool for sales team of any size. It's feature-rich, highly customizable, and backed by strong analytics, but it can feel overwhelming for beginners. The good news, once you get past the learning curve, it becomes an invaluable asset scaling for your sales operations. So what do you think about Salesforce Sales Cloud? Is it the right tool for your business? Let us know in the comments below. Again, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tech tutorial from our channel. And if you are interested in other business or CRM tools, check out some of our videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.